Hi, how are you? Can you tell me your name just so I can make sure I have the right patient?
Yes, my name is Mary Thomas, and that's my name sign.
Okay, and can you give me your address, please? And make sure you give me the city, the state, and the zip code.
Yeah, my address is 145 North Broad Street, and that's here in Columbus, Ohio. My zip code, I think it's 43204. Yes.
All right, my nurse says you're having some problems. I don't know, is it sinus or cold? She didn't really give me all the details, so can you tell me why you're here today?
Right. I think it's a sinus infection, and boy, does it hurt. It's very painful. And I've had a migraine for a full week. It's been continuous.
Okay, so in that week that you've had these symptoms, what have you tried? Have you tried any over the counter medications? Any natural remedies? Tell me what you've done.
Yeah, I took a medication called Tylenol or something like that, and it did not help. And then I tried another medication called Advil, and it didn't help either. But sometimes they would help, but it was not a continuous and it was not a long time, so I kind of gave up and thought it would probably be better for me to come to a physician and see someone professional, and that would help. So that's why I'm here now.
Okay, so you tried the Tylenol and the Advil, so those didn't work. We may need to go ahead and give you a prescription at this point. So I'm going to call CVS, and there's a 24-hour CVS just right down Main Street on the left-hand side. So pick that up there.
No, wait. I would really prefer to use the Kroger pharmacy. I'm always going to Kroger, so I really would prefer not to have to go to CVS too.
Okay, no problem. We can go with Kroger. That same thing. But my point,
Wait,
hold
let me
on, please.
explain.
Hold on, please. Hold, interpreter, please tell her just to wait a second, please. Hold on, hold on.
Fine, whatever. Go ahead.
We're going to go ahead with the prescription. I want you to take that twice a day for 2 weeks. Twice a day. So in the morning.
2 weeks? That is a long time. Wow.
In the morning and at night. So twice a day. And these are pills. So you need to take those with food. Otherwise, you're going to have a very upset stomach. Okay, so you got that. Interpreter, are you telling her everything I'm saying? This has to be done correctly.
Yes, she told me, and you told me every day, morning, noon, and night. So 3 times a day, right? Every day?
No, I said 2 times a day. Interpreter, please tell her 2 times a day, not 3 times. 2 times. You got that? Morning and night.
Fine. I would prefer every day 1 time, but twice is fine. I'll accept it. But remember, I want you to use the Kroger pharmacy. Okay, and the reason I want you to use Kroger is because I would prefer to do my grocery shopping and then stop in the pharmacy and pick it up. I don't want to have to go to CVS too.
Okay, I think we got it. Kroger. But unfortunately, you have to take it the way I told you and not the way you want it. But you know what? I have another patient, so I've got to go. So you have a good day, and I will see you back in 3 weeks. All right, bye-bye.
Okay, I'll see you in 3 weeks. Thank you.